Thailand's constitutional court has accepted taking the case against the leader of the Future Forward Party, Thanathorn Juangroongruangkit. This follows a petition by the Election Commission accusing him of illegally owning shares in a media company while running for office. Until a verdict has been reached in this matter, the court has also suspended his MP status. CNA's Thailand correspondent Saksisaya Sombat explains.
Yes, it seems to be that trouble is piling on for the leader of the Future Forward Party, Thanathorn Juangroongruangkit. The Constitution Court has decided to accept the case to deliberate whether or not to disqualify him, as he has been accused of illegally holding shares in a media company, and that is despite the fact that the Future Forward has said many times and also shown evidence, time-stamped evidence, that that has been not the case, that these shares in a media company has already been sold off to his mother before he actually ran for office. Now that evidence has not been accepted by the Election Commission whatsoever, and that's why the petition has been forwarded to the Constitutional Court with their own evidence, and that's why the Constitutional Court has reached the conclusion not only to accept the case and to deliberate whether or not to disqualify him, they have also decided to temporarily suspend his MP status for the time being until the verdict has been reached in this case. So that means with just a few days before Parliament actually convenes for the first time in years, Thanathorn Juangroongruangkit will not be taking part in the first session of Parliament, and that is obviously, of course, a huge blow for not only for him, who actually has 8 cases, including this one against him going on, ranging from various offences, going from not only allegedly owning illegal shares in a media company, but also allegedly violating Computer Crimes Act and many other different cases. And that's why his supporters, the supporters of the party, the supporters of Thanathorn cannot really help but feel that there's a coordinated effort against him and to clip the wings of him and the political party before they actually take off. And you have to keep in mind, the Future Forward Party is a newly established party, a newly liberal progressive political party that has done exceptionally well in the last election 2 months ago, gaining 80 seats in the parliament, becoming the 3rd biggest party in the house, in the lower house. So that is why there are people thinking there is some sort of conspiracy going on at the party. Nevertheless, at this point going forward, Thanathorn himself has 15 days to defend himself, and until then, we may or may not know the future fate of the billionaire and also of the leader of the Future Forward Party.